Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials: admin access, a device, and payment ready. Generate your Mullvad account number. This replaces an email and keeps you anonymous, so store it safely. Once you have the number, download the Mullvad client for your operating system and verify the installer if you can. That protects integrity. Install the app, then open it and paste your account number when prompted. This activates your subscription and gets you into the app to proceed. Next, pick a protocol. WireGuard gives you faster, modern performance, whereas OpenVPN is handy for older setups. Choose based on your needs and enable it in settings. Then select a server location, pick a nearby city for low latency or a specific country to access region-restricted content. Before you connect, turn on DNS leak protection and the kill switch so if the tunnel drops, your real IP and DNS won't leak. Once those are enabled, after connecting, verify your new IP and DNS to confirm protection. This proves the tunnel is active and your traffic is routed through Mullvad. Enable auto start and reconnect on boot so you stay protected after restarts, and configure split tunneling only if specific apps must bypass the VPN. If something goes wrong, switch protocols or pick a different server, restart the app, and check the connection log for errors. This often reveals blocked ports or misconfigurations that are easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.